What if I told you there's an AI that doesn't just chat with you, but actually builds apps, creates presentations, analyzes data, and even makes videos, literally everything for you? Yes, you can, and by the end of this video, you'll see me build a complete app, generate a viral TikTok, and create a business presentation, all with simple prompts. Let's dive in. Today, I won't use any AI tool. I will use an AI agent. I am talking about Abacus AI's DeepAgent, which can literally do anything for you. And the price? You have to pay only $10 per month to access this amazing AI tool. The link will be in the description box. Once you are on this page, create an account, and you will be on this page. This is the Chat LLM team interface, where you can access all the popular LLM models along with other AI image, video, and voiceover generators. To access the DeepAgent, click on DeepAgent from here. Okay, this is the Abacus AI DeepAgent interface, where the magic happens. Once you are on this page, you will find some templates under the prompt box. You can take inspiration from them. Now let's create some amazing projects together. Feature 1. App creation. First up, let's build a complete web application from scratch. I'm going to create a fitness tracker app with a database. It sounds very complicated. If you think so, just type like me. Create a fitness tracker app where users can log workouts, track progress, and view their stats. Include a database and user authentication here in the prompt box, and then hit the send button. DeepAgent is now analyzing my request. Once done, it will move forward to the next step. Here you can see that now the DeepAgent is asking some more queries about the app we want to build. We need to provide the data properly. For example, in the first question, it is asking which type of workout we want to include. I am asking for all types of workouts. For the second question, I am entering. Include tracker for duration, calories burned, personal records, and body weight. In the same way, you have to answer all the queries. Once done, hit the send button. Now, the DeepAgent will start its work. You can see that the AI agent is working very hard and doing a lot of things. It will take some time to complete the process. So I am fast-forwarding the video. In about 5 minutes, I have a fully functional app. I can preview it here, and with one click, boom, it's deployed live with a custom URL. And you can see that the app is fully functional. Now you can host this app and share it with your friends. This would normally take a developer days or weeks. DeepAgent just did it in minutes. Feature 2. Short video creation. Want to create some amazing short videos for your TikTok or YouTube channel? You can do that. For example, I am prompting. Create a 45-second TikTok video about 5 productivity hacks for remote workers. Make it engaging with quick cuts and trending music. Like before, after analyzing the request prompt, the DeepAgent is asking some questions. First, we have to mention the video quality. It can generate up to 4K video. I am going with HD. Next, you need to mention the visual style. And in the end, mention if you want to use a host with lip sync. I am entering all the values. Once done, hit the send button. Now the DeepAgent will analyze the prompt and then write the script, generate the voiceover, and plan the video. Here you can see the result: the script, voiceover, and the video plan. If you think you need some changes, you can simply ask the AI agent. In my case, everything is perfect. So I am typing, "That sounds good, please move ahead," and then hit the send button. Now the AI will generate the images, videos, and lip sync, and then combine all of them to make the final video. You don't need to do anything. So I am fast forwarding this part. And here it is, the video is ready.
Stop wasting hours working from home. Here are 5 game-changing productivity hacks that actually work. First, create a fake commute, walk around the block, or make coffee to signal work mode to your brain. Second, use the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Third, time block your calendar, batch similar tasks together to avoid context switching. Fourth, apply the 1-tab rule. Close all browser tabs except what you're actively using. Fifth, take micro breaks every hour. Your brain needs to recharge. These science-backed tips will transform your remote work game. Which hack will you try first?
This is really a very good video. Look at these smooth transitions, the engaging visuals, and it's perfectly formatted for TikTok's vertical format. This is content creation on autopilot. No video editing skills required. You can create any kind of short video only with text prompts using Abacus AI DeepAgent. Feature 3, MCP integration and AI workflows. Here's where DeepAgent gets really powerful. It can connect to all your existing tools through something called the MCP, Model Context Protocol. With this feature, you can create your own AI agent. For example, I want to create an agent that will help me ideate my next YouTube video. So, I am prompting, build an agent that searches YouTube for a given topic and identifies the most liked and most watched videos. It breaks down what works and what doesn't, based on title, thumbnail, structure, and viewer feedback. So you can reverse engineer high-performing content. And then hit the send button. In the next step, it asks for some more information like before. I am answering them accordingly. You should do your own. Once done, hit the send button. After analyzing my request, the DeepAgent is now asking for my API key. I am entering the API key. Now the DeepAgent is setting up the entire automation. It will take some time. And here it is, the workflow is deployed. Let's try it ourselves. You can see that the agent is fully functional. This is really amazing. Feature 4, Deep Research. Let's say I need to research the latest trends in electric vehicle batteries for a business report. I can do it using DeepAgent. So I'm prompting, conduct deep research on the latest EV battery technology trends in 2024 to 2025. Include market leaders, breakthrough technologies, and future predictions. Create a comprehensive report with citations. Now you will have to provide some additional data and then hit the send button. Watch this. DeepAgent is now browsing the web in real time, accessing the latest articles, research papers, and industry reports. It's analyzing data from multiple sources, cross-referencing information, and organizing everything into a structured report. It will take some time to complete the full research, so I am fast-forwarding the video. And here it is. Within 5 minutes, I have a 20-page research report with proper citations, charts, and actionable insights. The report is just amazing. If you want to do it manually or hire a professional, it would take a week and a huge amount of money. Now you can do that within 5 minutes by yourself, and you have to pay only $10 per month. Isn't it amazing? Let me know in the comments section. Feature 5, PowerPoint generation. Now let's turn this research into a presentation for stakeholders. So what do we need to do? Let's see. I'm prompting, create a 15-slide PowerPoint presentation about EV battery trends for executive stakeholders. Include charts, images, and a clear business recommendation. After entering the prompt, hit the send button. On the next step, provide all the data the agent is asking for, and then wait for some time. DeepAgent is now structuring the presentation, pulling relevant data from our research, and creating professional slide layouts. Look at this. We have a complete PowerPoint with executive summary, market analysis, competitive landscape, and strategic recommendations. The slides are professionally designed with relevant images, charts, and even a clear call to action. I can download this as a PowerPoint file or a PDF. From research to presentation in under 10 minutes. Feature 6, Data Analysis. Now let's analyze some real data. I'm uploading a sales data set with customer information and purchase history. Now we have to ask, what do I want? So I am typing, analyze this sales data to identify customer segments, purchasing patterns, and create a dashboard with actionable insights for increasing revenue. DeepAgent is now processing the data, running statistical analysis, and identifying patterns automatically. It's creating customer segments based on behavior, identifying high-value customers, and spotting trends in purchasing patterns. And here's our interactive dashboard. We can see customer lifetime value, seasonal trends, product performance, and specific recommendations for increasing sales. This level of analysis would normally require a data scientist and specialized tools. DeepAgent just made it accessible to anyone. Feature 7, Browser Automation. Last but not least, let's see DeepAgent actually control a web browser to automate tasks. I'm prompting, use the browser to visit my company's website, analyze the homepage structure, check for broken links, and suggest improvements for a better user experience. On the next step, we need to enter the website URL and some additional data, such as the target audience. Once the information is entered, the AI agent will start its work. It's checking load times, analyzing the layout, testing navigation, and even checking mobile responsiveness. Here's the complete audit report with specific recommendations. Improve the call to action button placement, optimize images for faster loading, and fix 2 broken links it found. It's like having a professional web auditor working 24/7. Guys, this is insane. In just 10 minutes, we've built a complete app, created viral content, set up automated workflows, conducted professional research, generated a business presentation, analyzed complex data, and audited a website. All for just $10 a month. DeepAgent isn't just another AI chatbot. It's like having an entire team of specialists at your fingertips. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, developer, or just someone who wants to get more done, this tool is a game changer. The link to try DeepAgent is in the description below. Trust me, once you try this, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. If this video helped you discover something amazing, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and let me know in the comments which feature impressed you the most. I'll see you in the next one.